Welcome to Tiafo Garage. Today we're going to change out the engine air filters in this 2016 G63 AMG. So let's have at it.
Tiafo Garage.
So I've already pulled off these engine pieces. This came from the left side, this came from the right side, and this came from the center. The back clips here were a little bit hard to pull out. I thought maybe there was some kind of trick to them, but you just pull them out carefully. Don't break the plastic. There's, a clip here, and then a little ball here. This one comes off the easiest, but you just pull straight up with some force. The center one, sort of, I think, resting here. Maybe there's a clip somewhere, but again, those back ones, I thought maybe there's a trick, but you just pull it straight up carefully. You don't want to crack the plastic. And then to get at the air filter, I just loosened this screw here, and then this screw here to remove or make loose this piece. Okay, with those two clamp rings free, this moves free, except it's still connected by a cable here. So we're gonna just disconnect this cable by putting a little screwdriver into the slot there and then pulling back the harness. Okay, so that freed up the piece. It was very, very straightforward. You push outward on that inner tab there. All right, so actually both sides are supposed to have that white thing. It looks like it's missing the white thing on the other side. So the operation is pull that white thing back, push up on the inner latch there, and then it slides right out. So the left side has another connector here, and now we know how these work. We're gonna pull out that white thing so it clicks, and then I can't film it because I'm one-handed here, but get in there, wedge that out, and then pull the connector back. All right, we've got our air boxes out, and the next thing is there's 4 T25 screws in the back of here of each one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll just remove that and then get teed up to put in our new air filters. You don't need to back them all the way out, just a portion, and then it pops off. I bought these on Amazon. Some people might judge me, but I think it's fine. This is A premium. My car had a little bit of stuff inside the air box on the intake side, so obviously, throw that out or clean that out. All right, good to go with the new filter in. Let's just put it back together here. I've already done the other one. So reassembly, as usual, is just opposite of disassembly. We're going to reattach this guy here and this guy here. Incidentally, I realized I didn't need to detach this because it's actually connected to the same unit. The only unplugging you have to do on this one is over here. And don't forget to hook up the little plug. All set, ready to go.
Tiafo Garage.